Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Garmin Pro 70. First, make sure both your handheld and dog device are fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. Next, power on your dog device by holding its power key until the LED turns green. It is important to keep the dog device within 10 feet of the handheld during the initial pairing steps. This close proximity helps establish a strong and reliable connection right from the start. Now, let's initiate the pairing mode. On your Garmin Pro 70 handheld, use the toggle switch to select a specific color that you want to associate with your dog's collar. Then, set the intensity level to a numbered position. Next, on the dog device itself, press and hold the power key for approximately 5 seconds. You will see the status LED change to yellow, indicating it is ready to pair. To complete the connection, simply select any training key on your Garmin Pro 70 handheld. The dog device will then emit a distinct beep, which confirms that the pairing process was successful. This sound is your signal that the two devices are now communicating. If you do not hear a beep, it is important to verify that both devices have sufficient battery charge and that the intensity level on your handheld is set to a numbered position. Sometimes, pairing might not go perfectly on the first try, and that is completely normal. If you encounter issues, first check that no other Garmin devices are in pairing mode, as this can cause interference. Moving to an open area, away from strong electronic signals, can also help. If problems continue, try performing a soft reset on both your handheld and dog device. This often resolves minor glitches and allows for a successful pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.